Good morning, class 5th. Today we will complete our chapter 1 of grammar. Okay, we already had an explanation, so today we will have a revise. We will revise it and then complete exercises. Okay, so let's start. First we revise. Here sentences, we already had an explanation of sentences, and exercise 1 we complete exercise 1. I think you remember. And now sentence, definition of sentence, and that's, I think you wrote in your copy. If you did not complete your work, complete. Okay, write this definition in your copy and learn it. A sentence is a group of words arranged to make sense. Okay, and then we learn here the different kind of sentences. So 4 kind of sentences we learn. Declarative sentences, that means a statement or it provides you information. Okay, and second we learn interrogative sentences, ask a question, and in the end of the sentence question mark. Okay, then we had third sentence kind of sentence, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence gives an order or makes request. Okay, and in the end of the sentence you use full stop. And exclamatory sentence express sudden means a strong feeling. Okay, and exclamatory ends with exclamation mark. Okay, then we learn positive and negative sentence, use of do not, does not, did not. Okay, here do not, does not, did not. Okay, and then I gave you a homework this exercise. So I think you completed, and we will now check if you complete it or it's right. If there is any mistake, just write it again. Okay, and understand. Okay student, we already complete first is exercise. Now B, I gave you this in homework, so match if you change sentence properly or there is any mistake, you will rectify it. Okay, complete this table by changing negative sentence to positive or vice versa. I told you what is the meaning of vice versa. One has been done for you. Okay, one is done already. She wants to leave now. This one I showed you how to complete. She wants, there is the S with the verb, so we use does. She does not want to leave now. Now the third one, C. Here is the empty positive, so there is a negative sentence. We have to change negative sentence into positive. Okay, so we are not going out tonight. So what we will do? We positive, we capital W, we are going we are going out tonight. And because it's positive, so full stop. We are going out tonight. We are not going out tonight. Okay, it's positive, it's negative. Now fourth, look at the fourth sentence. Samira is playing the guitar, so we have to change this into negative. Samira, S capital, is not playing okay, it's little bit verbally. Okay, so I think you understand playing from here. Okay, Samira is not playing the guitar. And negative, full stop. Now fifth sentence. Okay, here. So positive is not written, negative. Even the sixth one, positive is not complete, so there is negative. We have to change negative sentence into positive. Ramola did not know Shyam was coming to the party. So Ramola did not. Okay, there is did, so that means it's already past tense. So we have to write here this no change into past form. Okay, Ramola knew Shyam full stop. Okay, our class did not like the picnic spot. Negative. Now we have to change this into positive. Our class did not like to did not like verb will change into past tense. Our class liked the picnic spot. Full stop. Okay, I think you check your exercise. If there is any mistake, fix it. Okay, now we will look at exercise C. Now students, we already learned transformation of statement to questions. Okay, so what we learn here, use of does, do and did. Okay, so now with this we will start doing our exercise, third exercise. Look at it. Now look at this. See exercise C here. Okay, make question from the following statements using do, does or did. First, we already, when I gave you for homework, we already complete this one. My sister bakes delicious pies. So because there is verb with S, bakes, so it will change In question we use does. Does my sister bakes change into bake? Okay, base form. Bakes change into bake. Bake delicious pies. Okay, now second we looked at it. Second one here. Second, Arif spends a lot of time gardening. So again we can see verb spends and spend with s. So what we use? We will use does. Okay, does Arif, I think you know these and you did in your copy. If it's not complete, complete it. Okay, does Arif, why we are writing this capital? Because it's a name, and when there is a name, always write with capital letter, first letter capital. Okay, does Arif spans change into span? Spend. Okay, a lot of time gardening. And question mark. Last time I think I made a mistake, so fix it. Here question mark, because we are changing this, make question form, so that's why question mark is very important in the end. Okay, now third, our hockey team won the match last week. So won, that means that's past. Okay, so we have to use did. Did our hockey team one will change into win. Win the match last week. Okay, and in the end it finish with question mark. Okay, now next, fourth. Okay, I met Aunt Helen yesterday. So met is already in past, so did I, again did I, always capital, never small when it's alone. Okay, did I met change into meet, and Helen yesterday. And question mark. Now fifth sentence, you come home late every day. So this is the simple sentence. So what we use? We did the use of does and did. So now leftover is, which one is left? Do. Do you come home late every day. Every day. Question mark. So I think you understood these exercises. We will complete exercise D now. Okay. I will turn the page. Now students, look at this exercise D. Okay. D. Make questions from the following statements in the present and past continuous. These sentences are present and past continuous. So make question. Now we have to change these sentences into question sentence. It's easy, you already learned it. So they were waiting for her at the airport. So we change here, this helping verb will come in front. Okay, so were they waiting for her at the airport here. And what we have to write in the end? Question mark, because makes question from the statement. Okay. Third, she is looking at old photographs. Is she looking at old photographs? And question mark. Shushi is singing well. Is Shushi is a name, so capital letter first. Is Shushi singing well? And yes, you know. Good. And fifth sentence here. Fifth sentence. Okay. Mother and Divi are buying books in the bookshop. Okay. So are here. Mother and Divi buying books in the book shop. And question mark. Now clear? I think mother capital, because it's already here. Mother. Okay, mother capital. Okay students, we already question tag, we learned question tag. Okay, you can use a computer, and can't you? Okay, Wali will not stay at home alone, will he? So like this, and look at this definition of question tag here. Question tag are short questions, okay, used at the end of of statements to ask for confirmation or to check whether someone agrees with us. That means when we are talking other person is agree with us or not. Okay, then we use question tag. There is a positive, okay, wait, yeah. Positive statement takes a negative question tag. For example, cotton is soft, isn't it? And a negative statement takes a positive question tag. You can't see me, can you? Okay, clear? And then you have to use question tag with question mark. We will finish our matching. Match the following. You already finished first and second. Okay, first, Tony can be soft, can he? Second, we were polite, weren't we? Third, we was quite angry, so wasn't he? Fourth, I shouldn't go out tonight, shouldn't I? Should I? And fifth, here, Swati and Tarun were rude, weren't they? Sixth, they won't forget our request. So sixth, fine. Sixth, here, will they? Seventh, it isn't very cold, is it? And eighth, last, she hasn't brought apples, so has she? Now check if here is statement is positive, question tag is negative. If statement is negative, question tag is positive. Okay, remember this. Now we will complete our exercise F. Okay, student, we already complete first. Okay, so identify the type of each sentence. We already learned type of sentence. Okay, write D for declarative, Q for questions, I for imperative, and E for exclamatory sentence. Okay, first we did what a pity, exclamatory. Okay, we know please, we requesting in this sentence, please be seated, so it is imperative. Very good. And where is my cat? So you know this question, it's question. Fourth, ouch, you remember this? Ouch, a bee stung me, so it's exclamatory. Very good. How cute the puppy is, already you know, exclamatory. Okay, I think the puppy is lost, so it's declarative. Now seventh, it is raining cats and dogs, so that's declarative again. Do you have to water the plants? Question, no, question sentence. Very good. And Sheila is going to pick a flower, declarative. Very good. Please pass me the sunglasses, so please, you remember, imperative. Now this is exercise complete. Now we will turn our page and complete exercise next. Okay, student, we already complete this write question tags for these statements. Okay, so I complete for you, so we will look at here. Okay, yeah, You are pretty, aren't you? You are pretty, aren't you? I wasn't rude, was I? See, here positive, we change this into negative and question mark. Here it's negative, wasn't, we change this into positive and question mark. Okay, Tanya was late, wasn't she? Question mark. This one is positive and we change this question tag into negative. Okay, he was very loud. This one is positive. Now this one we will change into negative. Wasn't he? Question mark. Don't forget the question mark. Okay, you won't tell her. This one is statement into negative. This will change into positive. Will you? Question mark. Okay, next, sixth, it is their house. This one is statement is in positive, so we will change question tag into negative. Is small, I think. Okay, small. Isn't it? Okay, this one is in positive, we change this into negative. This okay student, now I fixed it. It's a small I. Okay, it is their house, isn't it? It's positive and this change into negative. Okay, question tag, question mark, question mark. I forgot this. Okay, I forgot here. I did it, but I think it's stuck with it, that's why. Okay, now seventh, we should leave now. So this one is positive sentence. We have to change this question tag into negative. Shouldn't we? Question mark. I think you understanding because you're not front of me, so you have problem, even I. If you have any problem, just let me know. Okay, then I will revise for you again. Okay, eighth, Harshita is very happy. So you know this sentence is negative or positive? Yes, I know. I think you know. Harshita is very happy. That this one is positive and you have to change the in question tag negative question tag. Okay, isn't she? Why we are using she or he when here is no she, but Harshita is a girl and for girl we use she. So isn't she? Question mark. Okay, now we will look at ninth. She didn't recognize you. Now look at this. This is negative sentence. Okay, so now question tag will change into positive. So did they? Question mark. Okay, did they and question mark. Now last one, the book wasn't very expensive. Okay, this one is, look at here, wasn't, so that means it's negative. Now question tag will change into positive. Okay, was it? Question mark. Now I think you are clear with these, and don't forget to learn definition of sentence and question tag. Let me revise you. Definition of sentence is, a sentence is a group of words, not words, many words. Okay, words arranged to make sense. Okay, and definition of question tag. question tags are short questions. Okay, short questions. It's not long questions. Used at the end of statements. When they are giving you statements, look, these are statements and you have to change this into question tag. And question tags are short questions, not long. Okay, look, these are short questions. End of statements to ask for confirmation. Confirmation means the other person is agree with you or not. Okay, so let's see again. Write questions tags for these statement. If this is question, sentence, statements positive, you have this question tag change into negative. And if the question sentence means statements is negative, you have to change this into positive. Okay, question tag will be positive. Now I think you are clear with this. Okay student, revise it and complete this in your grammar copy. Okay, if any problem just let me know. And now go to the washroom and wash your hands and ready for next period. Okay.